Understanding the Interquartile Range, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting mathematical concept that often puzzles students, the interquartile range. This concept is not only crucial for those studying statistics but also a fascinating example of how we can measure variability within a dataset. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about statistics, this video is tailored for you. Let's demystify the interquartile range together. The interquartile range, IQR, is a measure of statistical dispersion or variability in a dataset. It tells us the range within which the middle 50% of our data lies. Think of it as a way to understand how spread out the data points are around the median, which is the middle value of a dataset when it's ordered from smallest to largest. To find the interquartile range, we first need to understand quartiles. Quartiles divide a dataset into 4 equal parts. Here's how they are defined. First quartile, Q1, also known as the lower quartile, it cuts off the lowest 25% of data, leaving the highest 75%. Second quartile, Q2. This is the median of the dataset, splitting the data into 2 halves. Third quartile, Q3, also known as the upper quartile, it cuts off the highest 25% of data, leaving the lowest 75%. The interquartile range is calculated by subtracting the first quartile from the third quartile. IQR equals Q3 Q1. This calculation gives us the range between which the central half of our data points lie. The interquartile range is particularly useful because it is resistant to outliers. Outliers are data points that are significantly higher or lower than the rest of the data. Unlike the range, which considers the highest and lowest values, the IQR focuses on the central portion of the dataset, providing a clearer picture of its general tendency without being skewed by outliers. Calculating the IQR involves a few steps. 1. Order the data. Arrange the data points from smallest to largest. 2. Find the median, Q2. Divide the dataset into 2 halves. 3. Find Q1 and Q3. 4. Q1 is the median of the lower half of the data, not including Q2 if the number of data points is odd. 5. Q3 is the median of the upper half of the data. 6. Calculate the IQR. Subtract Q1 from Q3. This process helps us understand the dispersion of the central 50% of the data, offering insights into its variability. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to understanding the interquartile range. This measure is a powerful tool in statistics for summarizing data and making informed decisions. We hope this video has illuminated the concept for you and made your journey in learning English and statistics a bit easier. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, the interquartile range helps us understand the spread of the middle 50% of our data, providing a robust measure that is less influenced by outliers. Happy studying!